In this module, we will cover exclusions and exceptions. Activities referred to in the previous model may be excluded under the Act, in which case you would not require FCA authorisation to carry them out. There are two types of excluded activities. The first type is a general application and applies notwithstanding the particular investment which is subject to the activity. It includes solicitors as trustees, nominees or personal representatives, Article 66, activities that are a necessary part of solicitors' other professional services, Article 67, sale or purchase of body corporate, Article 70, information provided on incidental basis, Article 72C. Solicitors who are trustees, nominees or personal representatives, and who arrange, manage, safeguard and recommend investments, Article 66, will be excluded from the general prohibition, provided that the investment to which the activity relates is not a contract of insurance, the solicitor receives only his costs for acting as trustee or PR and no additional remuneration. In addition, the arranging or advising must be for or to a fellow trustee or PR, or for or to a beneficiary under the trust or will, or on intestacy.